Nanbabo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's vlog, let's do another Samgyupsal video. Let's go! So there you have it, guys. We would like to thank Wangja Korean Mart Delivery for sponsoring for today's vlog. Niluto na namin yung mga samgyupsal meat na natin. So meron tayong pork, we also have beef, and then they are kind enough to send us enoki mushroom which we wrap yung beef samgyupsal natin. So niluto din natin yung isang ramyun noodles. Actually saktong-sakto, medyo umuulan ngayong gabi. So saktong-sakto yung samgyupsal. So si Wangja Korean Mart Delivery is located at number 489 4th Street, City Center, Phase 2, Tabun, Angeles City. So later on, we're gonna talk more about their information, but for now, kakain muna ako, guys. Again. Oh wow. Oh wow. Actually, yung ramyun na to ay yung mga instant noodles din na available, just like this one. So, I'm pretty sure mas mare-recognize nyo tong brand na to. Ayan. So if you actually search their fan page, may mga set meals sila for the samgyupsal. There would be different sets for each budget that you have. So they have included this in the package. Soju. There you go. So let's just mix this up with my finger. Yeah. Taste it. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad actually. So let's eat more. This time, walang pork naman. Up to the last drop. Grabe guys, it's my first time to actually finish yung pin-repair namin for a vlog. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. And with that, we would like to thank Wangja Korean Mart Delivery. And if you want to check out the wide array of Korean products that they sell, make sure to check out their fan page. Like and follow nyo na rin po yung fan page na Soju updated sa mga posts. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Annyeonghaseyo! Sorry.